Hi honeybees, and welcome to my fall home tour 2021. Just wanted to quickly share the outside with you, but as you can see, Holly was very excited inside. But I have these cute little fall pillows in the front on our rocking chairs, and I do have a fall wreath as well, which you saw from the distance, and a little home sweet home sign there. But on our way into the house, there are touches of orange and blues in the home, but a neutral base. And I did go for more simplicity this time, not overcrowding the area, because I love how open our new home is. I absolutely love these open lanterns from Kirkland Home. The wreath is also from Kirkland Home, but it looked a little sparse with just the orange pumpkins. So I added a few white pumpkin clips from the Dollar Tree, and I really love how that turned out. Then over here at our coffee bar, you can see the fruit is missing. The bananas are missing because Chris eats one every day. But I have this little coffee station with some pumpkin spice extras. And I wanted to share with you how we organize the drawers with all of our drinks here at the coffee station as well. How adorable is this recipe pumpkin? I got this last year at Hobby Lobby, but I did see something similar this year. Even has a gray stem. This wallflower from Bath & Body Works was purchased this year. It's a nightlight as well, so it gives a little sparkle, and it smells amazing because it's pumpkin waffles. And then these little towels that I have around the kitchen are all from the Target dollar spot from over the years. Over on the other side of my counter, I do still have this piece that I purchased from Hobby Lobby a few years back, and I have some of my Ray Dunn pieces there. And over here, a few more touches of pumpkin with these spoons and spatulas that have pumpkin themes to them. And over on my gas oven, I have this metal pumpkin that came in my Decor crated box. I just thought it looked nice in the center there. I never used that burner too much, so I just thought it looked cute. I have some pumpkin pillows in my dining area. And then I did have so much fun putting this together on my dining room table with some candles and lots of different textures of pumpkins. I did put some leaves and pine cones in between to give it more of a rustic feel. The larger wooded candlesticks here that I'm showing off are from the Decor crated box again, and the black candelabras or candlesticks are from Amazon. And then I do have a piece here that's in the center that kind of nestles the pumpkins a little bit more too, and that was from Pier 1, that piece. And I have kind of combined two different styles that I used last year with the pumpkins, and I really like how it turned out. Over in the corner here we have my Ray Dunn pumpkin spice mugs and a little pumpkin patch sign. Transitioning back to the dining area, we are using this console table as a buffet table for the moment. And how cute is that little scarecrow guy? I found him at Ivy and Sage, a local artist makes him. I just have a little vignette there. The pumpkins are all from Target, so the white ones are little containers that you can put cookies and candies in. This cute piece is from Kirkland Home last year, but they do have things similar this year. I also have a really nice runner that I put down from Home Goods. And then I have my tiered tray over here in the corner. I love all the little accents of blue and orange here. And then in one of the small pumpkins, I made a fall trail mix. If you haven't seen that on the vlog, I'll make sure to link that here below. Speaking of Ivy and Sage, we picked up this beautiful hutch there. I love the scalloped details at the very top of the piece and on the sides. It has like an old feel to it, and we love the warmer woods, which we are going to incorporate more throughout the home, so it will become just transitions better throughout the home once that happens. But as you can see, I have a lot of pumpkin details on the bottom there, and on the top I did incorporate some of my raid done with a lot of other textures and pieces. I loved having the plates on the back of the hutch here, and I did use some hanging tape on the back of each plate to make sure they were nice and secure. And I love this little banner with the acorns. I'm not quite sure where that's from because I did receive that as a gift from my mom. And how funny is that mug? Oh my gourd. And moving over into the hallway, there is this cute little sign that I purchased at Walmart last year. They actually have a lot of really cute fall decor, so don't leave them out. And then over here on our sofa table, I have these stacked pumpkins to bring a little bit more of the blue accents, and they are from Big Lots a few years back. And then on this Kirkland scale, I have some rustic pumpkins from Michael's, and the beaded garland is from Ivy and Sage once more. Some baskets down below, just showing you some quick detail shots as we transition into the living room. The pups were following me around as I filmed, so I had to show you guys. Here we have some accent pillows. I love the blue details to bring that in throughout the house. And here on our footrest slash coffee table at the moment, I have a Home Sweet Home little board there. And these are little plush acorns that I found at Ivy and Sage with this delicious candle. I found this at TJ Maxx. It's called Pumpkin Patch. And we have a few more accent pillows that I've collected over the years from Home Goods and such. The gathering place could not be more correct because this is a central area where we all come together as a family. Here on the entertainment unit, I do have little accents of pumpkins and trucks and some family photos as well. Those are some lanterns, beaded lanterns. And I also have this beautiful garland that was purchased at Kirkland Home last year. I have 2 sets of them going across. And on the side table here, I did put this little arrangement together to bring some more pops of color through the house. And next to our master bedroom, we still have this console table. And close-up detail here, you can see the books stacked with a pumpkin candle holder. In our front entry, we have a very special plant that my mother-in-law gave us. And then our little step stool here with a Hello Pumpkin pillow and our home sign that's there permanently all year long. Other side of the house, you come to the guest room, and not many fall details in here. I have that morning pumpkin cute pillow from Home Goods and Rae Dunn. This piece here was given to me by Higley, my brother's girlfriend, and I put a little cute birdie in there that's rustic with some leaves. And in my beauty room, I have a few details with the different pumpkins. I call them Cinderella pumpkins because they're glass, beautiful pumpkins. And this pink one was given to me by my mom, and I love the details. Last but not least, our master bedroom. Again, not many accents of fall, but just little touches like this pumpkin pillow that I found at Kirkland Home this year. Over in our bathroom, we have this striped piece, this dresser, with some of our engagement pictures and this really beautiful pumpkin. And these little guys were found at Hobby Lobby, and I just thought they were so cute. I had to display them somewhere prominent where we see them all the time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this home tour. I will be having one very soon for Halloween, so be on the lookout for that. I love you guys, and I'll see you again soon.